Ay, nakakahiya naman. Mag-hi kayo. Hello.
Hi, friends. Ano
Yes, kaway-kaway. Hello. Yan. Nakita tayo. Diba? Here. Yan. Oh, ang
Picture pa yun. Mas maganda. Bibili din ako.
So, we're now eating here at Share Korea with the ates. Look at that, friends. Oh, yum. Yun, ano naman tayo? Ano gagawin natin? Kakape. Thank you, Ate Hans. Oo, diba? Ako nakapalda lang. Hi, naala si Ging Diri. Kawai. Parang ano na.
Nandito kami.
Yeah.
Hi, guys.
Naami sa Rizal Park karon. Rizal Park ba? Yan ate. Tala. Matigas nga, 'di ba? Pero okay naman pa. Matigas siya. Na siya. Hi. Oh. Ate, hi ka naman. Hi. Hello.
Ano?
Hey, bye-bye. Ay, Saturday pala. Bye-bye. Karon, naamig with gang. Asa tamo ato, gang?
Grand Canal.
Yeah.
Grand Canal.
Kanal. Okay. Gang. Asa ta karon, gang? Grand Canal. Muulit na may musakay may og darts. Oh, ka-freshman. Bye-bye.
Activity. Right. This train is for right.
Okay, good night. See you later. Lain nagtingin. Uy, training time. Ate Hana.
Pagod ako kabukas ang lock namin.
Explain mo. What happened?
Yung lock kasi, siguro 5 kilos ata.
5 kilos daw. Ayun. Kaya sabi namin, di namin alam kung si Ate Hana ba ay nakasakay ng luwas. Kaya nag-taxi na lang siya ngayon. Diba? Pero ngayon, papunta na ang mga ate, magluluwas na lang. So, antay na lang natin sa luwas ate, no? Doon sa ano. Okay. Hey, kambal! Ito mo ang kambal ko!
Bukas na ba ang mga shop?
Ayan na sina ate-ate. Hello! Diba? Oh, tingnan mo naman. Si ate ang wala sa GC. Hindi siya nakakulay green. At ate, tingin kayo. Tingin mga baby. Ang cute ni ate, ano? Oh, bali. Oo. So, Ate Hana, anong napili mo? Cappuccino. Hindi siya nagbabago. Oo, diba? Ayan naman, oh. Ano ba? As a videographer.
CCTV, no?
Try to drag me down like I've been misinformed. I'm saying, c'est la vie, c'est la vie. When the rain
Ingat! Enjoy! Safe trip! At 2 minutes.
1 minute na lang.
Diba? Oh. Ate Lais, kailan tayo makikita sa kailan?
Sa June na,
Sa June na, grabe. Oh. Sa Galway, Panihis.
Houston pala, Houston Station. So much, guys.
Oh. Bye ate. Oh, diba?
Namumula na yung mata.
Bye ate. Hoy, mag-tiktok pa tayo ah. Bye ate. Sa H&M naman kami ngayon kasi si Ate Hana, ay bibilhin mo ate ay mga pants, no? Tsaka t-shirts. Pwede din daw yun. Sa Ate Ange naman, napalitan na niya yung kanyang kailangan palitan. Di ba ate? Yan.
Bukod sa asawa.
Pudo sa asawa. Mga ate, si ate ang pinakamadaming nabudol. So we are now going to bubble tea. Tea. Kami, hindi pa rin kami tapos magbabubble tea kami. Pero pagod ka na ate.
Pagod na ako.
Sabi mo mukha ni ate. Pagod na siya.
Pagod
Oh.
na sa utak. Pagod pa sa bulsa.
Ikaw ate, pagod ka na ate.
Pagod na ako.
Alam, oh, ito ang galante namin. Si Ate Lars, si Ate Angela, ang aming bangka. Kaya, babawi niya lang kami ni Ate Hannah sa Galway. Di ba Ate Hannah?
Gago. Ano binababubaw?
Ng aming, ano sa'yo te? Explain mo.
Taro. Bubble tea.
O, classic. Ate, sa'yo, ano sa'yo te?
Taro with
Glutinous rice. Yes, sige. Yum, yum, yum.
Yung ano lang ba, hindi yung gusto ko lang, di ba, magliliwa-liwa ko yung kailangan ano kami dalawa. Kaya mo yan.
Yung nakikinig ka sa tropa mong may live advice.
Kailangan
Seryoso
ng
eh.
word of wisdom.
Friends, so I'm just gonna be showing you what I got from my ates when I came back to see them during the weekend, as you can see on this vlog. But I saw Ate Angela like a month prior, but I'm gonna be showing you what she got me because she went back to the Philippines and she got me some presents. So my favorite, I love Linder chocolate. It's so delicious, and I asked her to bring me some Betadine. My OB-GYN would always recommend me to bring this one, to get this one. So here in Ireland, it's kind of different. So I'm so happy she was able to bring back some of that. It's like pasalubong. Pasalubong is like a souvenir. She got me a Jolly Time. If you know, you know. She got me Jolly Time. And then she got me this lotion. It's a niacinamide Sakura body lotion. I'm so thankful. Thank you so much, Ate Angela. Ate Ange, for your present. And then she got me this COSRX vitamin E hyaluronic acid. I never tried it before, but I'm so excited to try it. Thank you so much, Ate. Now I'm gonna be showing you what I got from Ate Larlene, or I call her Ate Lar. So basically, she got me this tote bag. I believe this one is in Turkey, I believe, but Ate Lars would always travel the world everywhere she goes. So she would always bring us some stuff, some pasalubong, some souvenirs. First, she got me this heat tech from Uniqlo. I heard a lot of things that, oh, if you're gonna be moving abroad or somewhere colder, always buy a Uniqlo heat tech. I never had any heat tech like from Uniqlo, so this is my first time, but let's see if this is gonna do the job. But anyway, I got this for a gift, so I'm really thankful about that. And yeah, but in the Philippines, growing up, Uniqlo is not one of my go-to shop because it's expensive and I don't have money for that. But thank you so much, Ate Lars. And then she got me some glasses, so thank you so much for that. And then she got me this one. She told me you can use this for the toothbrush in your apartment, so that's really thoughtful. Thank you so much, Ate. And then, of course, she got us all a fridge magnet, which I'm really grateful for. Thank you so much, Ate, for this. It is from, I think, in Turkey, I believe, and from Edinburgh. And then she got me a deodorant, so let's see if this is gonna work for me. And she also got me this one, the premium tinted sunscreen. I love me some sunscreen. It's gonna be spring now, it's gonna be summer now, so it's very good to have all of this. But anyway, I'm gonna be showing you what I got from my aunt, which one I asked my cousin to buy me some things or makeup that she would recommend for me. First things first is this eyeshadow. I haven't tried it, but let's see. I'm gonna be showing you. So this is the palettes, so I'm so excited to try these palettes for my makeup. And then she got me this mascara, and she told me it's quite famous in the Philippines, so I'm so excited to try this. And also this one, a Babe Lash. This one is like a glue free, so you don't have to put a glue for your eyelash. So this is so nice. So I like this one. So it's glue-free eyelashes. So that's nice. And then I asked my aunt to get me some perfume. Because in the Philippines, I remember before, like, one of my elementary bestie, she would always write me a letter, and she would always spray this perfume. It's called the Heart Perfume from Personal Collection. I can't believe that all these years, like 10, 15 years, and still here. So every time I smell this, I remember her handwritten letter to me, and she would spray this perfume. So that's kind of a bit of nostalgic. So I'm so happy that I can still purchase that. I have to message her anyway. And I asked my aunt to buy me some collagen peptide for my, how do you say this? Remember, for my stretch marks. So I think that's basically it of what I got. So I'm really, really thankful for all the generosity. And thanks for watching for my vlog, friends. It's so nice to be back to just document my life. It's March 1 today. And yes, we're coming up to the spring. So thank you so much, God, for the sun. I never, ever will take sun for granted. So that's it, friends. I'll see you on my next vlog. See ya!